Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will reshape manually drawn lines using the direct selection tool. Start by selecting your rough freehand path. Now switch to the direct selection tool. Click on the first anchor and inspect its handles. Drag them gently to smoothen the curve. Move along the line, adjusting each anchor gradually. Straighten bumps areas using careful handles control. Now refine the wider segment for uniform flow. Adjust the curve's depth by pulling handles outward. Smoothen the ending points by correcting its angles. Zoom out to examine the entire points. Make additional corrections for visual consistency. Continue refining until the line